Today, we're diving into a transformative practice that's been helping people for centuries. Yoga. Now, you might think of yoga as just physical exercise, with poses and stretches to keep your body flexible, but it's so much more than that. Yoga is a holistic practice that not only strengthens the body, but also nurtures the mind. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by stress, bogged down by anxiety, or just out of sync with your emotions, yoga could be the answer you've been searching for. In this video, we'll explore how yoga can significantly improve your mental health and why it's an incredible tool for achieving inner peace and emotional balance. So, roll out your mat, literally or figuratively, and let's get started. Yoga isn't just about doing poses. It's a mind-body connection that has powerful effects on your mental health. One of the first and most well-known benefits is stress reduction. Modern life throws countless stressors at us daily: work pressures, personal responsibilities, and even just keeping up with the fast-paced digital world. Stress can feel like it's taking over, but yoga provides a built-in stress management system. Through breathing exercises, known as pranayama, yoga teaches you how to control your breath, which is directly linked to your stress levels. Deep, controlled breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest system, helping you calm down and reduce your stress almost instantly. Another huge benefit of yoga is its impact on anxiety. When anxiety strikes, it can feel like you're trapped in a whirlwind of overwhelming thoughts and feelings. Yoga helps ground you. The mindfulness component of yoga, the practice of being present in the moment, gives your mind a break from overthinking and worrying about the future. Research has shown that yoga can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, and reduce symptoms of anxiety disorders. Whether it's through a gentle yoga flow or a restorative practice, the physical movements combined with mindful breathing create a soothing experience that anchors you to the present. Now, let's talk about depression. Depression can leave you feeling disconnected from yourself and the world around you. Yoga is an excellent tool for reconnecting with your body and mind. Physical activity, in general, boosts endorphin levels, but yoga goes a step further by encouraging positive self-reflection. Poses like child's pose or heart-opening poses, such as cobra or camel, are specifically designed to release tension stored in the body and improve your mood. Plus, yoga often incorporates affirmations or gratitude practices, which can shift your mindset from negativity to positivity. One lesser-known benefit of yoga is how it improves focus and cognitive function. If you've ever struggled to stay on task or feel like your mind is constantly scattered, yoga can help. Balancing poses like tree pose or eagle pose force you to concentrate and bring your attention to the present moment. Over time, this practice strengthens your ability to focus not just on the mat, but in your daily life. Additionally, studies have shown that yoga can improve memory and cognitive flexibility, which is especially beneficial for students or professionals managing heavy workloads. Sleep is another area where yoga can work wonders. Poor sleep doesn't just make you tired, it impacts your mood, your energy levels, and even your mental clarity. Yoga practices, especially restorative or bedtime sequences, can help you unwind and prepare your body and mind for restful sleep. Poses like legs up the wall or corpse pose help relax your nervous system and signal to your body that it's time to slow down. And let's not forget Yoga Nidra, a guided relaxation practice often referred to as yogic sleep. Just 30 minutes of Yoga Nidra can feel as restorative as several hours of regular sleep. Yoga also fosters emotional resilience. Life will always throw challenges your way, but yoga equips you with tools to navigate them more effectively. By practicing self-awareness through meditation and mindfulness, You learn how to identify and process your emotions in healthy ways.